Bowman. I'm the auto tech instructor at the Lorain County JVS. I actually started school here in the same classroom that I teach from. I kind of just have been full circle since then. So the juniors learn general maintenance and light performance. They also get into steering, suspension, and brakes. The seniors get into the electronic and electrical aspect of it, as well as engine performance. In automotive, you get to work with like several things. So you've got the electric and electronic parts. So there's the IT technician portion. You have the heating and cooling. So there's your HVAC portion. You have the engine repair. So it's the mechanical portion. So this is like a world of all the skilled trades that you have to be able to do just to be an automotive technician. As a JVS student, they'll get all the entry-level fundamentals to go into the shop and either start out as a tire technician, a lube technician, or even as a general light tech, so like doing steering suspension work, brakes, wheel alignments. We have summer internship. That helps the students get some work hours in and also get that experience inside of a live shop. They can use that to also get early placement in their senior year. We have Skills USA where we go and compete with other schools around the area, and then nationally, regionally. There's several things that we could do. We go to also the new car show in Cleveland, and we have competitions there. There's several things that they can do to kind of advance and get scholarships and things like that if they go to a post-secondary school. There's several different colleges that actually come here and tour with us, or we go to them and tour. A lot of them now we're doing video conferencing back and forth just to keep the students alert to what we have out there, what's possible for them to go to, whether it's specific for a Ford asset program to learn Ford itself, Chrysler, or General Motors.
I'm Alex Abel, a senior at LCJVS for the Auto Tech. Once I get through this year of high school and I graduate, I'm going to Tri-C in Parma for the asset program for Ford. You get to learn a lot. I mean, you got your schoolwork still, but not many schools have a garage with lifts and you get to work on cars. It's definitely a great opportunity.